In today's fast-paced industrial world, automation is the backbone of efficiency. But what happens when your automation systems break down? Downtime costs you money, productivity, and valuable time. At ABC Media, we specialize in industrial electronics and automation part repair, ensuring your systems run smoothly with minimal downtime. Our expertise: PLC repair VFD, variable frequency drive, repair HMI, human machine interface, repair, soft starter repair AC drives repair, and industrial power supply and PCB repair. We repair it all. Our expert technicians diagnose and fix faults with precision and reliability. We use state-of-the-art testing equipment and genuine components to restore your automation parts to OEM standards. Fast turnaround, affordable pricing, and warranty-backed repairs — that's the ABC Media promise. Minimize downtime, maximize productivity. Contact ABC Media today for industrial electronics automation repair services. Phone 932-1557427.